Hey guys, Unit 2, Lesson 2, thousands to thousandths. So we're going to talk about reading, writing, and modeling numbers from thousands to thousands in different ways. Those different ways are standard form, word form, expanded form, power of 10. So this should be a fun lesson. I like the different ways that we can write numbers as opposed to just numbers. So here's just a place value chart. There's some patterns in our place value. You can kind of see how the word form matches up with the decimal form, with the fraction form, and then with a dollar format. So a variety of ways to represent numbers. This would be expanded notation here where you can pull apart each of the specific place values. Then we're talking about expanded notation. So as we pull apart things, when we think about the different pieces of them, this is kind of what we're talking about and thinking about. Okay, so let's talk about writing things as decimal format. So 9,000, pick my color here, 9,000, so I know I need a comma to represent the thousands place value. 605. Well, 5 goes in the ones place value, so I know 600. I have to add that 0 even though it's not said 5. The word and means my decimal place, so and 9/10. Alrighty. 210,000. So 210. 1,000 tells me I need a comma. 50. Okay, 50, if I was just going to write 50 out, would go in the ones and the tens place value, but I have that hundreds place value, so I need to put a 0 there. Okay, and tells me a decimal, and 1900ths. So 1900ths. Make sure it's in the hundreds place. 3/10ths. The tells me it's after the decimal, so 3/10ths. 7,000ths. Again, it tells me it's after the decimal. That THS, this piece, THS tells me it's after. So 7,000ths, 0 in the tenths place, 7 into the thousands place. 8, oops, I have that in the hundreds place. I need another 0 here. 0, there we go. 0 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place. 800ths, a 0 in the tens place, and 8 in the hundreds place, and I've got my so I know it's behind that decimal. Okay, write each number as decimal format. Decimal format, 602 thousandths, 602, 2100ths, decimal 21, 4 and 9/10, so 4 and decimal 9/10. 14 and 2700ths. 14, the word and means the decimal, 2700ths. Okay, 35 and means the decimal, 712 thousandths. 9 and 500ths, I need a 0 in my tenths spot. 24 and 1300ths, I need a 0 in my tenths spot. 3 and 6800ths. Okay. Let's have you guys pause the video and try the next few and then go ahead and come back and check them. Okay, welcome back. You guys should have your answers written out. If you need to pause the video to double check any of those, please feel free to do that again. The answers are there for you. Okay, circle the value that is not equivalent to the other values. Again, we're going to start looking at that place value. Notice I've got a 6 in the 10th spot on all of these excepting this one, so that's the one that's not equivalent. I have a 7 in the hundredths place value here, here, and here, but not here. It's in the tenths place value, so that makes it not equivalent. An 8 in the tenths place value, 8 in the tenths place value, oh, 8 in the hundredths place value, not you. 6 in the tenths, oh, 6 in the hundredths, 6 in the hundredths, 6 in the hundredths. This one's the one that's off. Okay, 3 decimals that are equivalent to each other, you guys can figure that out for yourselves. I'll let you guys come up with some of those on your own. Okay, one more bit that I want to do for you is talk about, let's come back here. This is word form here. up at the top, that was word form, and then number form. If I wanted to do expanded notation on this number, on number 1, I would do 9,000 plus 600 plus 5 plus 9/10. So expanded notation, you just expand out the number to its entire place value. So let's try that on this next one. Expanded notation would be 200,000 plus 10,000 plus 50 plus 1/10 plus 9/100. Okay, that would be expanded form. So expanded notation is when you pull it all the way out. Word format is literally writing everything out in words like these are and then converting them into number format. Word and number format would be where you would say, you might go 3/10, oops, T-E-N-T-H, yes, 3/10, right? This is the number, there's the word format, so 7/1000 would be number word format. So we have expanded notation. We've got number word format. Number word format. We have just word format. And we have just number format, which is what you guys are most used to seeing. Alrighty guys, we'll see you in class.